Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Saturday, the 4th of October, 2025. As you can see by the opening slide there, flying is scrubbed due to high winds. Let's have a quick look at the general situation and a couple of church notices. Yesterday, obviously very poor weather again with a series of fronts passing through a cold front followed by a warm front tailed by another cold front. That's what went through last night and has brought quite a lot of rain and subsequently these high winds. Uh, by midday today, you can see this very deep low still just up over the north of Scotland, and that's bringing with it some very strong westerly winds today, and the occasional occluded front coming down from the top of the country. So you can expect fairly showery today, but the key thing there being very windy from the west. Clouds quite clear in places overhead as now. See a large part of the country, particularly the west, beg pardon, east, is clear, but still very thick, dense clouds. The further north you get, rain radar, you can see that front there, very, very pronounced feature. There was a lot of rain last night, and still quite unpleasant in the north. Quite a few showers locally to us, so we can expect those to come through during the day and probably be quite vicious as they do. Just looking at what that shower forecast is likely to be locally today. See, probably mostly missing us to the south, actually. That's later on in the day again, there's some of those large areas of rain coming in from the north, possibly deteriorating by the time they get to us. The observation odium today, wind wise, is 240 degrees, 19 knots. That was at about 10 to 8 this morning. And Farnborough, they've got a TAF out today. With winds 250 degrees, 15 gusting 25 is the norm, with a tempo between 10 and 4 of 270, 20 gusting 35, and then on the prop 30 of 270, 25 gusting 45 knots. Spot winds, something similar to the south, 270, 45 and 50 knots at 2,000 feet, and the north is very much the same, 280, 50 knots at 2,000 feet. So aside from being very strong on the surface, there is a very, very steep wind gradient. Let's see wind there showing brisk south, brisk westerly flow across the airfield. And local methods forecast with our yellow warning in for wind today, and that's showing gusts upwards of 40 knots for most of the day, a mean speed of 20. So very, very unpleasant indeed. Gusting up towards 45 later on today, and showers throughout as well. Temperature-wise, around 13 or 14 degrees with a dew point of 4. There's the way we come on the south side. See one of those showers already about to pass through us there, and the windsock there showing just how strong that westerly breeze is. Local temperature is 9.3 with a dew point of 6.1. You can see there, sky sight is very much in agreement there, upper winds showing sort of just shy of 60 knots at about 2,500 to 3,000 feet. We'll very quickly look at the clouds distribution chart from sort of mid-morning. See lots of CBs here forecast, potentially quite intense showers. We run that through. You can see it's clear later into the afternoon and the evening, but that wind is still persisting. We won't bother with anything to do with no temps, so no flying. No glider bookings. We just got the one movement this morning, weather dependent, expecting a 737 to go around 25 past 9 this morning. That's all from me today. It's keep safe in this weather, and hopefully you've derailed all your gliders and hopefully get better weather in the coming week. Thank you.